Hi everyone, it's Mark from Roveel here. I just wanted to share with you some exciting news that on Monday the 17th of October we are releasing our new Roveel Marketplace. This will be rolled out and available to all customers and users, together with a brand new homepage which I'm going to share with you a sneaky preview of in a moment. This is a new era for Roveel, especially in these current times. Businesses need more information at their fingertips to make a better decision. We understand that you're sitting on all of this information within your account software, and it needs releasing and it needs to be available to you at the press of a button. So we have worked tirelessly over the summer. We've now created a whole marketplace of dashboards for you to go and select and choose. We've got areas including improved and enhanced credit control, project dashboards, profitability, stock. These will all be available immediately to you on Monday the 17th of October. And we wanted to make the process as simple and easy to use as possible in line with the product. So it's as simple as clicking through the marketplace, looking at the dashboards, considering your own businesses, thinking about what you need, where you need more information. Enter your Roveel login email address on the form, hit submit, and one of our support team will be in touch with you. We genuinely believe that having this information available to you is incredibly valuable, incredibly important, especially in this current time. So we want to work with you to improve that decision-making process. We also understand that logging in the morning and having that information at your fingertips to see the whole business as a whole is hugely important, which is why I'm now going to share with you our new homepage, which will go live to all users during that week of the 17th of October. It was part of a phased rollout. So here we've got an analysis of cash, debtors, creditors, it analyzes weekly sales, looks at your sales orders, which customers, your debtors, your creditors, and some key ratios as well as the chance to then go and design your own homepage as well and work with us on that. This really is a new era for Roveel, and we look forward to working with you and helping you explore your data further. Thanks very much.